1968 Chevrolet Nova here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Underneath the hood, small block Chevy, 350 cubic inch V8. That's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission, 700R4. Power steering, power brakes. Let's take a look at the grille. Chrome in the bumper, headlight bezels. Matte gray finish with the black rally stripes. Check out all the still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, and all those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Good looking 5-spoke wheel, disc brakes up front. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Note that the side windows and rear window are tinted. So as far as the percentage of window tint that you can have in your state, just want to make you aware of that. Any of these stickers may be removed. It's just vinyl. We're going to leave that at the discretion of the next owner. They'd like to take them off or leave them on. You can see those panels nice and straight. Few little blemishes kind of above that wheel well. Cool look with the matte gray finish though. And again, rally stripes continuing over the trunk and to the rear of the car. Dual exhaust, chrome in the rear bumper. Few notes from the technician on this one. He mentioned that the brakes are 80% in the front, 55% in the rear. New rear wheel cylinders. The speedo does read a little faster than you're actually going, which, hey, that'll help you keep out of trouble. Tires are starting to show some wear, and they are dated 2015, so give you a little heads up on that. There's also an aftermarket stereo that's in the glove box, and they mentioned the square key will open the glove box, has to be horizontal. I have it open now. I'll show you how that stereo is working. There's a remote control for it. Let's take a look down the driver's side. If you like Novas, maybe muscle cars in general, heck, any car for that matter, classic, antique, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. We're going to start it up, let you see underneath the hood, listen to it. And if you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason's going to take you for a drive too, show you how it goes down the road. Kind of take you for a virtual ride, if you will. Door panel looks good. Bucket seats. Over the shoulder harnesses here. There is an aftermarket tack mounted on the column there. That has been in op. I haven't noticed that working. There are aftermarket gauges underneath the dash. Those are working. As well as that stereo I mentioned that's in the glove box right there. So let's go ahead and fire this up. Again, small block Chevy 350, B&M shifter. Again, automatic with overdrive. You can see the stereo powered up. Sounds good. The aftermarket gauges. Temp gauge, voltmeter, oil pressure looking good. Top of the dash, good shape. Nice throttle response. Holley 4-barrel. Door closes nicely. Let's take a listen. Sounds good. Nice little rumble. Nothing crazy over the top as far as exhaust. I think I can get this one one-handed here. There's a look at the underside of the hood and engine bay. Looks like a newer booster and master cylinder. Headers. There's that Holley 4-barrel. Looks newer also. Chrome valve covers. Battery disconnect when it's in storage or in between drives over here. Well, that thing is running smooth, no doubt about that. Looks good, sounds good underneath the engine, or underneath the hood and the engine bay. Ready to roll. 1968 Chevrolet Nova. Be a nice one for cruising, that overdrive tranny. Call us, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pics. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today, let's go for a ride in a fun 1968 Chevy Nova. Kind of a gunmetal gray, flat or satin finish with black stripes. A mean looking car in all the good ways. We have a B&M style ratcheting shifter, which means you can put it in drive and treat it like an auto, or you can bring it down to 1 and bump it as you're going up the drag strip. And this car's got some snort, and it is a smooth running car. Started up easy, idles perfectly. Turn signal indicators both working. You got racing seats in here for a little more support. Some good harnesses. Now the speedometer definitely reads fast. Nearly 20 to 30 miles per hour fast. But this car is fun to drive. The speedometer does hold steady. The fuel gauge reads 3/4 of a tank. The volts are charging about 14 volts. The water temperature 180, and the oil pressure about 65 to 70 psi. Those three are down below the dash, and a nice set of auto gauges. We have a Cobalt tachometer that is not reading. That's mounted to the column. Nice feel to the steering and throttle response in this car. Black inside going well with the motif of dark gray and black. Black carpet. Power steering working very well. A little bit undersized steering wheel makes it easier to manage, and the power steering takes care of any kind of effort you're gonna need. Brakes are nice and smooth and very effective. I feel like they've been upgraded maybe. And there, I can never talk through that. It sounds so good. The kickdown working on the automatic transmission. Check out all the pictures of this fun 1968 Chevy Nova at UniqueClassicCars.com.